I'm Dean Sernils with Master of Mixes, and today we are putting a little modern twist on a famous classic tiki cocktail, the Sangrian Jungle Bird. And we'll start off with an 1.5 ounces of nice dark rum, your favorite rum. There's so many beautiful expressions out there. And some Aperol. Here comes some bitterness, which is going to round out that cocktail. And pineapple juice. 2 ounces of pineapple juice right over top, just like so. And Master of Mixes red sangria. So here we have a combination of 6 different fruit juices: cherry juice, pomegranate juice, lemon, lime, orange, and grape juice. This is a great combination, goes wonderful with just some straight wines, but this combination, this blend of juices makes so many great other cocktails. And we'll shake it up. There we go. We're going to strain this today into a fun coupe glass, making this super fancy. Look at that great froth on there. Pineapple juice always brings a wonderful froth to the top of a cocktail. Awesome. And we'll garnish with a couple of slices of pineapple leaf and actual pineapple, just a big enough slice that we can chomp out of it. And here we have a great twist on a tiki classic, the Sangrian Jungle Bird. I'm Dean Sernils with Master of Mixes. We'll see you next time.